Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're working on a photo now. Start by duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. This protects the original. Next, crop tightly to focus. It reduces processing time and reveals problem edges. Use the spot healing or healing brush tool for immediate small blemishes. Click, drag, or paint with short strokes. Make sure to sample nearby texture when required and toggle blending modes if the repair looks off. Once done, zoom to 100% to inspect your initial fixes. You'll now tackle larger or complex markings. Start with the clone stamp at 50–80% opacity to slowly build texture. Sample frequently and work in short strokes to avoid repeating patterns. When an area is broad, select it and run content-aware fill to let the algorithm propose a fill, then refine with clone or patch. Use the patch tool to shift and blend nearby pixels. Move selections until seams disappear. Make sure to vary your sampling distance so the repaired area matches surrounding grain and light. You're almost done, now refine. Apply frequency separation if color and texture are out of sync. Work on low frequency layer for color, high frequency for texture. After that, use subtle dodging and burning to match local contrast, then apply a light sharpening pass targeted at edges. Compare repaired area against the whole image at multiple zoom levels. Save a layered file for future tweaks and export a flattened JPG or PNG. Troubleshooting tip: if patches look repetitive, introduce
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.